festival for the Christmas fair. I'm part of Land Designs, which is a family-run business from Galston. We do one-off bespoke items, including lighting and furniture. And as you can see in front of you, we're doing one or two little Christmas things, particularly for the festival. I'm having a really good time. The people are lovely here. We've met some really nice people and families and lots of lovely doggies.
We are Norfolk Grader Cider, and we sell all our ciders from a family business. It's all come from our orchard, come from my granddad's recipe, and then we've just taken it on as the years go on, different varieties, so it's just a local family business. It's been a great time. It's very busy, very cold, but good festive cheer.
Hi, we are at Winterfest in Wymondham on a very chilly Sunday afternoon. We are Home Farm Gin. We are based just down the road in Heatherset, and we make gin. We make 6 flavours of gin at the moment, and they're all absolutely delicious, as you can imagine. I'd say that. We're also today selling our mulled gin, which is a lovely warm cranberry and cinnamon gin, and that's made with cranberry juice, cinnamon, orange and a bit of demerara sugar, and it really does warm you up on a day like today.
I'm Chloe and I run That's Beautiful, and we make resin creations, everything glittery, everything flowery, you name it, the best. Bit chilly, but it's a really good atmosphere here and everyone's in the festive spirit.
Hello, I'm at Wymondham Winterfest 2022, and I'm Anna from Ragged Robin Florist. So I'm selling wreaths, Christmas decorations, lanterns and everything sort of floristry wise. Having a great time, really good turnout, lots of people and everyone's really friendly and having a nice chat. It's been a lovely day.
So I'm at Winterfest in Wymondham today, and this is my stall. My name is Dee McGilvray. This is Dee Designing, where I sell illustrations of local Norfolk places. I'm absolutely loving it. It's been great so far. Everyone seems to be having a really good time. Yes, I'm having a great time, thank you.
So today I'm in Wymondham at Winterfest. Great atmosphere, loads of Christmas spirit, it's lovely. So I'm Mimi Elizabeth Fashion. I'm selling original designs. They're called Snuggy Knees. It's a hybrid cardigan shawl, what I'm wearing. So it's got armholes, so you can still do things when you're wearing it, and it's got pockets, which everybody loves. I'm having a fantastic time, yeah, it's been so nice today. Everyone's just been in very high spirits. It's been great.
So I'm at Winterfest. We're Flint Vineyard, and we're having a really great time. It's super busy, and we're selling lots of wine. Yeah, so Flint Vineyard is a vineyard down near Bungay. We grow grapes for wine. We make 4 different wines, including a sparkling rosé that we're selling today. It tastes just like strawberries and cream. Are you having a good time? Having a great time.
So this is Holly at Art, and my name's Holly, and I do commissions that I sell for personalised pet portraits. And then I also sell on Etsy as well under Holly at Art, and I do cards and bookmarks, wrapping paper and everything like that. So yeah.
We're at Winterfest at Wymondham at the moment, and had a great afternoon here this afternoon. We normally come to the farmers market, but we've given Winterfest a try and it's been a tremendous success. We're Bluebell Woods Wild Venison, and we sustainably manage deer populations across South Norfolk, and we're bringing all of our venison here freshly butchered last night for the customers to come and buy and take home and cook for their suppers. It's been fantastic.
So my name is Francesca. I am here doing Tropic skincare and makeup today. So selling natural, vegan, cruelty-free products, makeup, skincare, body care, that sort of thing. I'm in Wymondham. I'm doing the Winterfest today. Very cold, but it's been a lovely day.
Are you having a good time?
I am having a good time, thank you. Yeah, it's been really nice to get out and speak to people.
I'm Nikki. I'm a florist in the centre of town. Been here just over 3 years now, just before lockdown. So it's always a good atmosphere. It's great to see everybody out and about and having fun. So yeah.
I'm Chris, this is Kemble and Franklin. We're a new deli and provision store in Wymondham. So we're in Market Street, middle of Winterfest, so fairly big winter festival. I think it's ridiculously busy. So
And are you having a good time?
It's been great. It's been really, really good. It's our first, obviously we've only been open a week, so first experience of Winterfest on the high street. It's been brilliant.
So I'm Abby and I run the Bloom Room, so I specialise in dried and preserved flowers, and I'm here at Wymondham Winterfest. So I'm at Wymondham Winterfest and it's been a really lovely festive day, really busy, and everyone definitely in the sort of seasonal Christmas spirit.